Good morning, everybody. It is beautiful out here. The hurricane is not coming at me, and we're at Rick's Automotive, and you can see the Bug is finally getting his full exhaust back. A few years back we hacked it off. It sounded cool, and then it ate its way through my gas tank, which led to many thousands of dollars and things that really didn't need to be done to this car, but they're now being done to this car, like fuel cells and such. So Rick was gracious enough to sponsor this, and I promised him I'd make a video. So for the first time, you can see underneath the car, there's bottom of my fuel cell, all that goodness. There is the end of my exhaust on the exhaust hanger, and you can see that my gas tank is gone. That's why you can see the exhaust that good. It might be loud in here, I'm sorry.
If everything goes well, I'll probably do it Friday.
They're manually bending the pipe for my exhaust. It's a pretty tedious process. You gotta bend, check, bend, check, repeat. More bending, more fitting. More bending, more fitting. Hey, there's my new muffler. Whee! Extreme close up! We are almost there. Got everything tacked up here, everything tacked up there. Piping is mandreled in, up and over to this, and now he's just looking for a place to hang it. Damn, my rear valance is crushed. No more fireballs underneath the car. Dual tip muffler, mandrel bent, Catback. Thank you, Rick's Automotive and Custom Exhaust, Dothan, Alabama. Look them up, Google it.